Hey everyone, I just want to hop on here and give a quick update on what's coming up on the channel. First off, thanks for watching over the past year. I really appreciate it, and without all of you, I wouldn't be able to do this. I see so many channels post videos in January with doom and gloom clickbait titles. I'm done, or I can't do this anymore, baiting in anyone they can. We're not going to do that today. If anything, I want to let you know that I plan to post more videos more consistently. First things first, we had our first real major video sponsor on the I increased my internet speed by 778% video. I know ads can be a pain, but they allow me to get in gear and continue to upgrade my filming equipment for the channel. Most of the money I bring in goes directly back into the channel, either through review products or audio video gear. So I would really appreciate it if you guys could check that video out. Now onto the good stuff. We have a great DIY project starting, a CSS Creative Sound Solutions DIY speaker kit. If you're unfamiliar with them, check them out in my description. They make some really high quality kit speakers. They even offer completed kits as well. They supplied me with their newest kit. It's a budget option called the Tori. It includes some high quality components and should be a fun build project. I'm planning on a small series for that one, covering assembly and the finishing. We also have an actual budget HDMI ARC integrated amp. Arylic will be sending out their new B50, which comes in at $112. I'm pretty excited about this one as it's the cheapest HDMI integrated amp I'm aware of, plus it seems to be loaded up pretty well. It has HDMI of course, a subwoofer out, 2x two-way Bluetooth, and a phono input, just to name a few things. Fosi sent me their updated TB10D amp that utilizes the TPA 3255 amp chip that produces great results in these tiny desktop size amps. This is the updated model and has been really popular, so that one will be interesting to see how it compares to the IEMA A07. IFI has the Zen 1 Signature DAC preamp on its way to me right now. This looks like a great little media hub. Balanced or single-ended outputs, BIDIF in and out, optical, USB, as well as Bluetooth. Expect that review to drop sometime early February. Something new for me this year will be an IEM review. I have a new partnership with APOS and they agreed to send out a review sample of the Moondrop Aria IEM. They're well regarded, budget friendly, and should be an interesting one. Outside of that, expect a few Hi-Fi Marketplace episodes returning. I picked up a few products online as well as some local rummage sales that are pretty interesting. Well, that's all I really have today for everyone. Just wanted to give a shout out to the community and give everyone an update on what's to come over the next couple months. See you soon.